clothes shopping conversation. Hello. Welcome to our store.
Hi, thank you. I'm looking for a jacket.
We have a new collection over here.
Great. Can I take a look?
Of course. What size are you looking for?
I usually wear a small or medium.
Here's a medium one.
I like the design. Do you have this in black?
Yes, let me get that for you. Here's the black one in medium.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Sure. The fitting room is right over there.
I'll be back in a minute. It fits really well.
You look great in it.
Thank you. How much does it cost?
It's $49.99.
Do you have any discounts today?
Yes, you get 20% off on jackets today.
That's perfect. I'll take it.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Please insert your card and enter your PIN. Done. Here's your receipt. Would you like it in a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you. Have a great day.